welcome you all my lecture series of C programming. In last video we have seen that what are all the input output functions in C program, like formatted and unformatted functions, and how they can specified in the C program. In today's video we are going to see about that decision statements and in the C program. So what are all the decision making statements is in the C program. First we will see what is the decision making. So decision making is a conditional statements. We are going to make the decision based on some condition. So based upon the condition we are do the decision, means we are doing that, we are going to execute that statement or we are come out from the loop or not. So the C conditional statements allows you to make a decision. So based upon some specified condition, these statements are called the decision making statements are conditional statements. So conditional statement, for example, consider this is the flow diagram. So you have a condition. Whether the condition is true, one set of statements are executed. If it is false, the condition is go to the another set of statements. So the decision making statements in the C programs are classified as if and switch case statement, and go to some jump statements, also the decision making statements. The if statements contains that normal simple if statement and if else statement and nested if else statement and else if statements are the that means the if else later statements. And also next we have the jump statements are go to, continue, break and return. And the switch case statement is also the decision making statements. And the next is the conditional operator. So these are all the decision statements in the C program. In today's video we are going to see that what is the if statement and if else statement with an example. First is the simple if statement. The if statement is used to made the decision based on some condition. The simple if statements, this is the syntax of simple if statements. If, that is a keyword, within bracket we have the condition. Once the condition is true, the block of statements are executed followed by that conditional statement, and if it is not, the condition, the flow is go to the some other statement in my program. So this is the right side we have that show the flow chart of the given if a simple if statement. First we will check the condition. The condition is true, the block of statements are executed. If it is false, the flow is go to the normal statements. For example, consider test whether the given number is divisible by 4 or not. So this is the program. So what is the logic for to find whether the given number is divisible by 5 or not? Logic is whenever we are divide that number by the 5, the remainder should be 0, means that number is divisible by 5, otherwise that number is not divisible by 5. So this is the logic behind that problem statement. So the program is, you should include that header file section as a standard input output and conio.input output. And next we have the main function. In the main function, first we have the declaring the number, that is as an integer. After that we have a printf statement that only print the given message in the console window, and followed by the scanf statement. That scanf statement for read the number from the user in the console window. So after that we have a condition. So first we get the number, so the next we have to make the decision. We have the condition that that number is divisible by 5 or not. So the if followed by that n modulo of 5, which is equal to 0. Suppose the division operator returns that remainder means we should use that modulo operator. So the number modulo of 5 is equal to 0 means the remainder is 0, the given number is divisible by 5, otherwise the number is not divisible by 5. So if you have one condition, the condition is true, so what is the statement we are going to print? We have to print the given number is divisible by 5. If it is false, we have to, the next statement of that block of statements is executed, that is the statement is not belonging to the if statement. So this is the normal if statement example program. Here we don't need to, we are not using that else part of the if condition. So only we use the if the condition is true, the true statement is executed, otherwise the normal statement is executed. So this is an output of the given program. Now you are entering the input as a 25. So after we get the input as a 25, the 25 modulo of 5 condition is executed. The modulo operator returns the remainder is equal to 0. So the remainder 0 is equal to 0. So automatically the given number is divisible by 5. So this statement is executed. Suppose you are entering that 24 means that number is not divisible by 5. So the next statement for the true statement is executed. That means that statement is that given statement is not belonging to the if. So here we will have a two set of output. One is for the condition is true, otherwise for the condition is false. I hope you will understand. So what is the decision making statements in C, and that we have a several classification of if statement. In that in this video we will see, we have seen the simple if statement with an example. I hope you will understand the simple if statement, how it is executed.